setup. Do you know that nutrition can affect your health and how you feel and possibly help you avoid some major illnesses? In this class, we'll talk about something you probably never had a class in school, and that's basic nutrition. Things like what you actually need to make your body feel good and how it can really help you have better health and well-being. Some of this is stuff we may think we know this, but again, this is not taught in school, at least not that much. And it's not really taught much in medical school either. So your doctor probably doesn't know this either. Please join us as we talk about ways we can eat better and really think about what we're selecting to eat and the effect that will have on our lives in general. Please join us. Thank you.